What's going on, animals? Animal here for you. You guys seem to like Sleep Token. My oldest son said, Dad, you should react to a song. I've had other people you say you should react to a song. And then this one subscriber, she chimed in and she's like, is in love with this band. She gave me a list. So I'm going to dive into it. I went to Sleep Token, like the Wikipedia page. I'm trying to figure out like where it all starts. And I see some videos that are like 7 years old. And I see they started in London in 2016. And Vessel, the lead singer, and Tu, the drummer, like the founding members, or like the only two that are actually in there. And then there's revolving touring guys and stuff. So I'm going to try another one. So one of the ones that this lady told me to try out was called Vore. And I was looking at the comments, and some people are like, oh, I can't even like say this name because it's a female praying mantis that devours the male during mating. And you guys make fun of us males all the time, but you guys are little killers. Black Widow, heard of that one? Yeah. You guys are just... You think we have one thing on our mind? You guys have one thing on your mind. Get them babies and kill that man. All right, I have the lyrics up on my other monitor here, so if you see my eyes going back and forth, I'm gonna read it, and hopefully this video is not too busy. So anyways, Sleep Token, Vore. Okay. Wait a minute. So I saw in the comments on my last one that Vessel doesn't hardly do any harsh vocals or hoarse vocals because, you know, he wants to keep his voice nice and pretty for all that other stuff. And also, did this song come in like, I mean, according to my list here, I'm going to swing it over here. You have become the voice in my head, only recourse, blah, 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 blah. I feel like I didn't hear that. I didn't feel like I heard that in the beginning. So I'm going to start it over, see if I can pay attention. If that's not him doing the harsh vocals, who's doing it? Somebody let me know. So let's try it again. Okay, now I hear that. This is really heavy though. God, that's so creepy. musician is. Oh, sorry. So first of all, I like the music on this. The drummers, he's doing excellent. It's got a really cool groove to the song. It's like laid back metal type, and of course it's got the aggressive vocals. And I don't know if it's my headphones or this. It's really, I mean, if you don't pay attention to these words, it's hard to hear it. I can hear words very well on certain songs, but I don't know if they're twisting the word a little bit, so it's hard to see. So I'm really trying to follow along on here. Very interesting song. That is super creepy. I mean, it's got like 2 snake heads and a skull face and horns and hair. Got back hair. But I wonder who's doing the screams, because it sounds like a female to me. Like, I almost want to say that's Courtney LaPlante. And if it's not, and it's his, then kudos to him. But like I said, one of you guys, a couple of you people said that he doesn't do a whole lot of screams because, he doesn't want to tear up his vocal cords, which I get that. I'll back it up just a little bit to this beautiful image. Can you imagine if that sucker was in your backyard? Ugh. Because not only is it's not like a complete praying mantis. It's like part snake. Got a couple snakeheads here. And obviously it got a royal victory somewhere. And took somebody's crown. So, yeah, let's go. Wait, what'd I miss? Hold up. Why are those things spouting blood all of a sudden? falling apart, man. I do like those vocals though. Oh yeah. Sleep Token, Vore. Again, another very visual type song, visualizer type song. Another creepy image. If I didn't know the words and I didn't watch this video and I just heard that song, I'd probably be more of a fan of it. And don't hold on. I'm gonna watch this again without watching anything because I had to concentrate on the words because you guys said, hey, have the words up. And of course it's a visualizer, so something's gonna change on it. I didn't get to really appreciate the whole song. So I'm gonna go back and listen to the song again, not on here. I like the harsh vocals. I like the sound of the guitars. I like the lows. 2 was killing it on the drums. So I heard it, but I didn't get to appreciate it fully, if that makes sense. So sometimes when you do these reactions, I go back and I'll watch my own video. Not for me, but I want to watch the video. And then also for me to go, I could have said something else and I could have said more or I could have said less, whatever. So, hey, there's another one from Sleep Token. I'm sure I'll hit a couple more of these jokers, throw them in the mix here and come back to them once in a while. But you guys let me know which one I should do next from them. Like, what is their number one banger? If I haven't done it, if it's not this one or the one I did before, what is their number one banger? What made them, what put them on the map? How about that? Does that sound good? So anyways, I appreciate you guys' time. You can always support the channel by buying me a glass of whiskey, cup of coffee. Hit me up on the Instagrams under the same name, Animal Weighs In. I am making some merch. I was working on some shirts yesterday, and it's going to be music related and country related, since I got a lot of fans from Japan and from Mexico, and of course the U.S. And now I'm starting to get some Filipino fans because of Mission Souls. So I'm going to do a little bit at a time here, but I think this is going to be pretty cool. And once I roll it out, I want you guys' thoughts on it. So watch for my posts and my shorts on here. That's why you got to subscribe and hit the notifications so you know when Animal drops something. Like a fat beat. No, just kidding. So, hey, make sure you... I messed myself up with that beat. Sometimes I crack myself up. I don't even know I'm saying it. Live loud, lift heavy, burn slow. This is Animal.